Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to fix something today. It's the easiest way to fix it that I have found. Okay, have you all ever tried boudin? It's a Cajun sausage. I mean, that's all it is. It's a rice and pork sausage. And this is a family favorite, let me tell you. Normally, I'll fix it in the frying pan, but fixing it in the air fryer is so much easier. You don't have to sit and babysit it. So, I'm going to spray my well-used air fryer. Folks, I bought this air fryer when they first came out. They didn't even have them in Walmart when I bought this. I had to order it off the TV. That tells you how old this one is. And it is used all the time. But anyway, I've sprayed my air fryer. I'm taking my sausages out so you can look at them there. They got some spices in there. Now folks, be careful when you take them out because these do have juice in there, kind of like the kielbasa or Polish sausage. So you always want to be careful with that. Put it over in the sink and let it finish draining. I'll open the second one. This is a 12-ounce package, guys. And honestly, each of us eats at least one of these, sometimes more. Just rotate it around. It fits decently in there. Okay. Preheat your air fryer before you put the sausages in the basket. That way you get a head start on the cooking time. You preheat it to 350 degrees and we're simply going to put this in for 15 minutes and then we're going to flip it halfway through. We're about halfway through the cooking time, so we're going to take this out and turn the sausages over. As you can see, they've started to brown and they're cooking nicely right there. Yeah, they're starting to brown on all sides. That's great. It's a little hard to get them to brown every which way whenever you have them in the frying pan, because as you can see, they didn't even want to lay the correct way whenever I was flipping them. And they sure don't want to lay the right way whenever you keep turning them over in the pan. They go the way they want to go. They're hateful. But anyway, let's put them back in here and let them finish browning up. Okay, the air fryer just turned off. Let's bring it over here. And as you can see, they're nice and crispy. They're cooked all the way around. So let's get one right here. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. One thing I forgot, guys. I need to check the temperature. We need to make sure it's 160 degrees. It should be, but oh yeah, it's definitely past that, so we're safe on that aspect. I always want to be safe. Did you hear that crunch right there? Listen really close if you can hear it over the beans simmering. Yeah. So that makes the casing nice and crisp, guys. This definitely beats standing there flipping and flipping and flipping this boudin to get it done. I hope I've taught you something new. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.